Before this, prior to this, I want to tell something about that paper. That when they read Srimad Bhagavat, especially the purport of Swamiji, then they lose their faith to Krishna consciousness, because everywhere it had been told in his purport, ladies are inferior, blacks are all Shudra, and they should not be given bhakti, they cannot have bhakti, and so many things.
But they say,
and so many, they were in ISKCON, they left only for this. So I want to tell that in Bhagavad Gita, first, Naam okay. All mics are there. Why they have upset it? I don't know.
In Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 32nd verse, Lord Shri Krishna is telling, Mam hi parta vyabhashritya yepi su papayonaya striyo vaishyas tata sudras tepi yanti param gatim. He's telling, O son of Pritha, Arjuna, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, Shudras, they can attain the supreme destination.
This is wrong. That you give me what you explain, it is totally wrong. That is why they here manhi partha vyapashritya pap yonya tama. Striya are not pap yonya. Shudra also not pap yoni. Who are pap yoni? Pura, Kirat, old. They are, because they are not Krishna consciousness, and they eat meat, eggs, wine, smoking, so much drinking and alcohol and everything. So they are pap yoni.
They kill dog and
Here, Istris has been told only that in a month they have monthly some impureness. So it has been told. Not inferiority, not anything. And also in Srimad Bhagavatam, here they have told like him, Papi Yoniya means born into lower class. Oh, this is not meaning that we are thinking. Then lower class, who are Narada. In what world he was? Dashiputra. So he was low class. Vyas also, Narada also, Prahlad also, Vidur also. We should reject them. So many.
from the picture.
So according to the Vedic system of classification, women's Vaishya Sudra belong to a lower social. Never. I don't like it. Anywhere it has not been written. Never. So, in Srimad Bhagavatam, I wrote this sloka 1948. In main sloka, original sloka, nothing written like this. Never. That ladies have some less intelligence, or they cannot do bhajan, they are lusty, or what things. never written. That there are some speciality of women and some speciality of male. And according to that, somewhere something he has written, he has explained. And Srimad Bhagavad also, it has been told. So we should not think that ladies cannot do bhakti, they are less intelligent or they are inferior. We should not think. Also, in Puranjan Upakhyan, some slok has been given, but in main slok, in original, no written like this. But in Bhakya, I think that some Bhakyas, what Swamiji did, it had been changed somewhat. He cannot write like this. And in some cases, he has told, it is right, we will have to reconcile. Because it has been written also in Srimad Bhagavatam. So we should not think that they are inferior or less intelligent. Do you think that Shyamrani is less intelligent than anyone? So we should not think all these things. So he has written, read everything. No, it has written here in Bhakya proper, but I think it is wrong. It may be clearly said that understanding of a woman is always inferior to their understanding of a man. I am not happy with this statement. And he cannot write. Never. So, you should try to reconcile what he has told. And don't be worried for this. What Shastra has written, it is okay.